In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add customer in Xero. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to fill out, and how to save a clean customer profile so you can invoice faster and keep your records organized. First, open Xero in your web browser and sign in if you're prompted. If your login has access to multiple organizations, make sure you're in the correct one before you start. Having the right organization selected will ensure the new customer ends up in the right place. It also helps to have the customer's basic details handy, like their trading name, email address, and billing information. Once you're on the Xero dashboard, look for the main navigation and select Contacts. This is the central area where Xero stores all the people and businesses you work with, including customers and suppliers. If you don't see it straight away, expand the menu or widen your browser window. Sometimes the navigation compresses on smaller screens. Inside Contacts, switch to the Customers view. This focuses the list on contacts you sell to, making it easier to review and manage who you'll be invoicing. It's a helpful filter, especially if you also work with suppliers, because it keeps your sales contacts front and center. Now, create the new record by choosing New Contact. A form will open for you to enter the customer's information. Start with the contact name, the clear trading or business name you'll use on invoices. Add an email address you want invoices and statements sent to, and, if available, a phone number. For addresses, include a billing address for invoices and a physical or shipping address if it's different. If your region requires it, you can also include tax or VAT details so they flow through to your sales documents correctly. Take a moment to set optional defaults that save you time later, such as the customer's preferred currency, tax settings, and any standard payment terms you use for them. Clear, accurate details here reduce errors and rework when it's time to bill. When everything looks good, click Save. Xero will create the contact and place it in your customers list. It's a good idea to quickly scan the saved profile to confirm the details are correct. From here, you can start creating invoices, quotes, or statements for this customer right away. That's it. You've added a customer in Xero, set up with the key information you need for smooth invoicing and accurate records. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you want to follow along while you add your next customer.